Hello everyone. I've got today a few Crosstreks here on the ramp and kind of a unique situation to see a few trim levels and a few different colors here, all ready for delivery to their respective buyers. And let's go through them. Let's see what we have here. So this first one is a Crosstrek Onyx. In Canada they've got these yellow fog lights. I know in the US there's more highlights over here along the side and maybe a couple more, but in Canada it's just the fog lights right here that are yellow. You've got the black 18-inch rims. The side mirror is finished in crystal black silica, and then you've got that nice cloth interior with the textured material inside. Kind of hard to see now through the glass. I think this car is locked, but otherwise it's got the larger screen. It's also got the sunroof at this trim level. So this is nearly the top of the line, but with cloth seats. That's how I like to describe it. It also has the 2.5 liter motor. And the Onyx trim level gets this black piece in the back. If you get the entire car in black, in the crystal black silica, then that matches on the back here. Let me zoom out so you can see the car a bit better. Alright. So let's go on to the next one. This white one is a Crosstrek Limited, and as you can see it was requested with a hitch, so we installed the hitch right there. And the Crosstrek Limited is our very top of the line in Canada. It's got the leather seats, it's got the 18-inch wheels, same form as the Onyx, but just different coloring. You can see it's got the dual color, the metal and black. Other than that, it's got the leather seats here, and I'll be able to show the leather seats better in another car in just a little bit. But otherwise, it's got the sunroof. It's also got the rear sensors here. These sensors allow the car to do reverse automatic brake, automatically applying the brake if you're about to reverse into something, and also gives you an indication of how close something is, in addition to the backup camera. All the Limiteds have these gray finished mirrors, side mirrors. And here is another example of a Crosstrek Limited. So again, same trim level as this one that we just showed. Got a hitch as well, which is kind of interesting. And I do have the key to this one, so we can see what the leather seats look like. I'll try to hold the camera as steady as I can. So you can see very nice, high quality material. Not too soft, not too firm, quite nice. Good bolstering on the sides. And I really like this perforation in the middle. I want to say that it looks even better in real life. I would say it's more subtle in real life, this orange. But I like these seats quite a bit. Let's have a look at the interior. So the interior, it would be the same in the Onyx, apart from these leather seats that we get, as well as this Harman Kardon sound system right there, or I can show it right here. So we've got the upgraded speakers, Harman Kardon sound system in the Limited. Looking at this car here, so this is the same offshore blue as the Onyx there, and this is the Touring. So the Touring gets fog lights. It's a second trim level from the base. It's got the smaller wheels, 17-inch rim, but a very nice design, similar to the top of the line. Often on these, it's hard to tell if it's 17 or 18-inch, so I like this rim design quite a bit. The side mirrors here are also gray finished in the Touring, but no sunroof, as you can see. And we do get cloth seats. Slightly, you could say, more basic cloth, more basic at least compared to the Onyx, the first one that I showed. But still very nice. And for those who don't like the yellow sides on the Onyx, this might work out as long as you're not too fussy about the lack of a sunroof there. The Touring also wouldn't have these reverse backup sensors, but of course it will have the same backup camera and the same size screen as the other ones. Alright, so that's all for today. Just wanted to show you these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beautiful Crosstreks parked right here and ready for delivery. Thank you for watching again. Please leave a comment, let me know what you like about these cars and if you want to see anything in particular. And see you in the next one.